sisters, and all my dear friends. My name is Aditya Narayan Das. Today I am going to speak a few words about Teachers' Day. Today we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day.